Hello again.
Yeah.
Can I come in?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. You've noticed since the whole afternoon.
Did you hear it? Huh? Did you hear any noise?
Yeah,
You've noticed it.
yeah, exactly.
It's very serious, isn't
Very
it?
serious. Yeah. Don't worry, we are going to make a big investigation with this company who's going to come and investigate this.
May I keep your hand?
Shake my hand? Good.
I sympathize with you.
I
100%.
I am so emotional to find people like you
Don't worry.
to sympathize. When you leave, please, would you unplug the boiler?
Definitely.
Thank you.
Okay?
Bless you and your
Take care of
family.
yourself.
And your family.
Take care of yourself.
All the best to you.
Bye-bye.
I've just spoken to the workers. It's amazing, the evidence. He admits that it's very serious and he's going to investigate. Thursday, the 28th of December, 4:21. Tell that to Inspector Clark, who gave promotion to PC Clark for exceptional service today.